Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie. First, gather your ingredients including 6 to 8 medium apples, peeled and sliced to about 1/4 inch thick. You'll also need a double pie crust, which typically uses 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. This helps achieve a perfectly flaky crust and a well-blended filling. Now let's create that delicious apple filling. In a large bowl, combine your sliced apples with 3/4 of a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a small pinch of nutmeg to enhance the flavor. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. It brightens the taste and helps prevent the apples from browning. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble your pie. Carefully place one of your prepared pie crusts into a standard 9-inch pie dish, pressing it gently into the bottom and sides. Then, pour the apple mixture evenly over the bottom crust, mounding it slightly in the center. Finally, place the second crust over the filling, trim any excess, and crimp the edges to create a beautiful seal. Bake your pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes, then reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Once baked, let your pie cool for at least 2 hours before slicing. This allows the filling to set properly. For more great deals, including a link to Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade apple pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.